In my recent past videos, I teaches you how to launch Microsoft Word using different methods. I also teaches you the features of Microsoft Word interface, where I took a very good time to explain virtually every and single tool in Microsoft Word and their functions. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Word document, how to format it, and how to save it using Microsoft Word application. If we are meeting for the very first time, my name is Shenge Vihimgam, also known as Uncle Sneak from Sneak Studios. Please do well to like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials, and let's get started. Good. This is the document I want us to use for the demo. So first of all, I want us to highlight the entire document and change the font face or the font character. By doing that, you must select your home tab. So under home tab ribbon, you will move straight to font group. This is it. So first of all, highlight the entire document or select all, which is Control E, use a keyboard. Then come to your font character here. You click on this camber button. Click here. You have the list of your font character. So now it's left for you to choose the one you want or the one you are asked to make use of it. For official documents, a lot of people use Calibri, Tahoman, or Times New Roman. But I want us to use Times New Roman. Good. Just zoom it in a little bit so that we can view it very well. The next thing I want to do here is to increase the font size. Official font size is 14. Click here. So on this list, any font size the way you want it to be, but for the purpose of this video, we make use of 14 font size. So now click outside. What I want us to do now is to make our heading capital letters. So that is an uppercase. Select your heading with the title. Then you come here, you click on this arrow, change keys. Then you have uppercase here. Good. So the next thing I want us to do, come here on the subtitle, make computer here, the C on computer, capital C. Go to the same place, click, enter and put capital. Then here on skills, select S, enter put capital. You get it? So the next thing I want us to do is to highlight the heading, make it bolder. So you come here and press bold. Give it red color. This is your font color. Click under here. Good. So next, I want us to highlight the sub heading. Make it bolder, italic, and give it in light blue color. So press here to highlight the whole line. Make it bold, italic, italize it. Come down here, give it light blue. Good. The next thing I want us to do is to center the heading. Press here. So now we have done on the font group. We still have other tools then that we can make use of, but we touch the remaining ones in our subsequent classes. So now we move on paragraph group. So now we have to align this to center. Hit push it to center. You get it? So the next thing I want us to treat is bullet and numbering. There are situations whereby you have a list of items and you want to identify them with bullets or numbers. Okay, for instance, at this particular place, we want to assign bullets to this. Drop your cursor where you want to assign bullets. We'll select the list where you want to assign bullets. So come here to bullets. Click on bullet. Select the type of bullet you want to use. Get it? Select any one you want to use. So I prefer to use this. You observe that is not included, but you also want to assign a bullet. You can backspace, delete it. When it's joined to the other line, strike your enter key. You got it? That is another way of creating your bullet. Now numbering. We have another list here. We want to assign numbers on this. So in numbering, we have different ways of numbering our list. So select the list as one. So come to your numbering. Here are the set of numbers you have. We have numbers in figures. Here that includes with parentheses, close bracket. Here we have Roman numerals. We have alphabetical values. After letters, we have small letters. We have small letters and close parentheses. We have small letters with period, full stop. Roman numbers here, we have then small letters with period. So now it's left for you to choose the one that you are to use. So I will make use of this one. Everything is numbered here. We are still on paragraph. The next thing I want us to do here is sourcing. We also have a list here. Looking at this list, W work is here first. Start is here, orphan access and connect. So we are going to arrange this as how they used to arrange a dictionary.
So we have to sort it in a particular order, ascending or descending. So first of all, go there and lay emphasis, highlight. Highlighting is to lay emphasis. Select where you want to issue a command. So this is sorting. You click on this. So these are in form of paragraph because after first list, you strike your enter key on the keyboard to start another paragraph. When you strike a key, it's like you have to start another paragraph. So that is why we are going to choose paragraph here, not headings, not feed one, not and feed two. We make use of paragraphs. Then type, we are sorting text, not numbers, not dates. So we choose text. So ascending order is the format in which we want it to go. Then click OK. Now you observe that the list that started with A comes first, followed by the next letter which is C, O, S, and W. What if you want to sort it in descending order? Do the same thing. Come here. Now check mark descending. Then click OK. Now is in descending order. In, that was the first one, comes the last one right now. As we're working on this document, we are yet to save it. So to save your document in a particular location, go to your File tab. You get it. Come to Save As. Click. Go to Browse so that you can get the exact location where you want to save your document. But if it is here, there is just no need of going to Browse. So I want to save it on desktop. So I will open desktop. Give it a time. Good. So here are the folders, the items we have on the desktop. If you could remember, we created a folder on the desktop in our previous classes. Today I want to make use of this folder sneak ways. So I will now double click to open that folder. And it is document. So I will open document. And I will input the file name. Here you observe that you have a file name imputed here already. Computer skills. Why computer skills is here in this field is simply because computer skills is the first line of that document. So now it is your wish to change it or allow it to be there, then you save. But let us try to change it. I'm going to change it. What are computer skills to you? What are computer skills to you? Now I use my sub heading to create the file name. Then finally you click save. It has now saved. One other thing that you notice that your file is saved, you check on the title bar. You see the saved name. The name you imputed is here on the title bar.
It is at this point we close for today. In our next class, I'm going to teach you how to insert table, put content in the table, match cells, and text direction, and lots more. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like, share, comment, and subscribe to follow us for more interesting classes. I still remain yours, Uncle Sneak, saying see you in our next video.